This is Tanvir Kazmi with my news channel See the World through Tanvir Kazmi. Today I want to talk about very important news from one of the top newspaper in the United States. There are 1 million more abortions of the children happened this year, which is 25% more than 2020. For me, it is another eye-opening and very discouraging news that where are we going? What happening to us? Why we thinking a beautiful children are become burden to us? What went wrong? What God has done wrong that we are destroying our future generations and putting them into trash, cutting them into portions? The abortion mean sometimes they cut their body inside in the womb into pieces and flush it out. It is also not destroying the child life. It is also dangerous for the woman life too. So what happened? So if I neutrally compare why we got so many issues. So first of all, the gospel, the Torah, Quran, the three major holy books teaching us that we cannot sleep around with the other person because during that process, without any committed relationship or marriage or called nikah, whenever we sleep around and God has given us extreme attraction towards female and the male, that they deliver a seed into each other, and the man delivers a seed, a sperm into the woman's womb, and that turns into child. So that is a process generated by God, which is okay. We should definitely give us comfort and peace, enjoyment, and it has been given to us this desire so we can fulfill our tranquility and peace. But it has the boundaries. We cannot deliver based on because anybody can sleep and to do that. That's where the problem starts. All three major holy books guide us that we choose any person with a committed relationship and openly, and then be a part of the one big family or family. Family means we work all together. When a child born, we all give them love, grandparents, parents, uncles and auntie, everything. So when we do not go that route and we secretly having relationships, and then a woman get pregnant, which was sperm delivered to her by the person she is not sharing with anybody, and then that problem comes. Then how can I do this? How can I bring child? And the people will say, whose child is this? And when the child born, he or she can challenge around who I belongs to, who's my father, who's my grandfather. That's why that's uncontrolled adultery society has created a lot of problems for entire country, entire world, including the women and the girls who are God made them like a Mary to rule the entire house, to become a best diamond, supporting for entire family. In return, the father, the son, and brothers and husband, or give her more love and support. But this is the way when we do not, as I said, because we let not control the society with adultery or having sexual partner unlimited, and with no control on that. This is the way when child she get pregnant, she want to release that pregnancy and is now ready to support that, and that has caused major division and wrath of God. Many problem came, many generation, because God want us to create, multiply, and Satan, our true enemy, does not want us to multiply. He wants to destroy us because we were chosen to lead the entire universe, not only world, the universe. That's why our role is very has to be very disciplined. Think about we're living few years here, and then we're billions or trillions of years in palaces in the next life in paradise. Why we're losing that for just few minutes of pleasure? Let's come back to path of God. Let's have committed relationship. As I said with many other videos, that a man is allowed to have more than one girls. This way, girls, bigger family, can also enjoy each other. Not only girls plus the man, and same thing. The children will be more happy to see their bigger family, bigger houses, more pleasure, more enjoyment. Other way of secret lovers, and then aborting children, 1 million abortions just one more than, you say 1 million more than 2020. Let's come back. Let's not go the addiction, the drugs and sex is addiction, which you do more, you want more. If you do one, you want to 10, then 20, 200. The body will demand more. They will not be end. But as a committed relationship, yes, there's no boundary. You can enjoy as much you want. Let's come back to the path of God. Let's make this world successful. Let's go towards the route of paradise for billions or trillions of years, where this is forever. Let's accept each other as in committed relationship. Let's do nikah and marriages and support the government should support. This way, this will not happen and the world will be fine and also will not be punished by our Creator. We can see a lot of destruction because we are not changing. We continue denying the law of God. Let's come back, make our life better, our families better, give our daughters and sisters respect as they deserve and become part of the family. They should also accept only a committed relationship. So I hope this way we can make this world peaceful again and become the best world again. Take care. See you next time. Bye.